it's a laundry.
And then we have here the laundry. No, we have to go outside, ma. And then yan yung cabinet, oh. And down likes pa rin. Meron pang cover dito na mo. Yung maglabas ka, kudal na. Close na, oh.
Ano siya?
Yan.
Fence to fence. And this
Fence
is
to fence na siya ba?
This is
Ito yung cupboard niya.
this is this and this is that.
This is this daw and this is that. Dito sa laundry room. Okay?
Okay, laundry
Okay.
area.
Ito yung sa laundry. Yan. Okay ba? Okay siya. Tapos meron pa cupboard dito. Cabinet. Yan o. Boss, ito yung mag-renta. Maswerte ka. Ayaw ang mag-rent.
Okay, ang mag-
This
Oh,
is
tapos ito
the
yung-
third one.
Yeah. Tapos this.
Can you open that, Bella Hilda, please? So the owner of this house is Hilda, but in fact, it's
No,
it's
we're
the
not
bank. It's the government, the ATO owns this, SMSF. Yeah, yun yung may maliit doon na
This will be
space.
our retirement fund.
Retirement plan ito siya. Ipagbili ito siya 2 million na 16 years from now. So ayun may mga salamin ng cabinet. Can you open Hilda? Yep. And the other one as well?
It might be profitable.
Show
it
to
might be
us.
not.
Yep.
But for sure, it will be.
Yan, puros yan, oh. Ayan yung duct niya, yan yung aircon ductless, and yeah. And quickly daw,
Quickly,
you see.
quickly see.
Okay, open mo.
There.
Sige, open mo. Show us, you tell something.
This is the cabinet in the kitchen.
Okay.
Cabinet in the kitchen. This one, this one.
Yep. Ang pantry, have a look.
This is the cooking area.
The cooking area.
And this is the pantry. Too small, but it's
Pantry. Ano, pantry? This is the pantry.
this one. Is
Ito,
the
mayroon pa, no? Pantry niya, daming kwan. Ano yun dyan?
cabinet.
Cabinet? Oh, anong dishwash niya? Westinghouse. Energy rating niya is 4 star. Ito be. Wala. May tubig ba? Grabe. Yeah. So this is the kitchen. This is the sala.
Area, and this is
Dining. So ang air conditioning ducted na po siya. Tapos meron siyang exhaust. Lalabas yung baho ng kilikili. Lalabas niya.
dito pa kasi yun yan. Yung sa
Kaya nga. Tapos high ceiling siya. High ceiling. High ceiling. Iba ang builder kasi doon, ma'am.
doesn't matter.
Oh, ito. Dito sa labas, oh. Mayroong swerte ang magrita didang ba? Yan, oh. Oh. Yan. So ito artificial ang sa likod. Artificial, wala nang imo. Oh. Ito na lang ang space, siguro mga 3 point something meters ang sa likod. Di kitanay na ba? Pero dwelling siya nga separate house. Okay? Clear my block. So ito. Ngayon, yan ang tag-iya. Yan ang corporate member. Siya ang CEO. Oh, wow, may ara gali sugadang, oh. Sensor ma kung mag-aagi ka sa likod ba. And then this is the likod. Okay. That's it. Andyan ang aking lapiping nga may lang taytay kag may lasising. O ayan, oh. Kita nyo.
Okay. Come on.
Yeah, picture tayo. Oh, come on daw.
Pakita mo ang ano ang...
Oh. Ang flooring nila, oh. Gakalong ba? Grabe ba? Okay. Oh, mama. Say catch you later. Hindi siya marunong. Alam mo naman ang palangga kung ano eh. Hindi niya alam. Oy, ibaba mo na din yun. Ibaba mo. Oh, we will close the flag ceremony. Ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo. Nag-flag ceremony. Yan. Okay. Catch you later, alligator.